I don't even know why they pulling me over. It was traffic and I just got over for somebody hitting me. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, so I get pulled over a lot.
We got that PS5 we about to give away. So we on a hunt to find a gym that we could go to for a month or two. I am a YouTuber, so people usually sweat us about filming. First time getting pulled over in TRACKHAWK. You know how that go. So in traffic on Tuesday, going to get Hyphy Whitey's tire fixed. Thing about these flashy cars, man, and loud exhaust that is. Since I had these cars. So y'all talking about you bots, right? You don't need stuff like this if you don't want the problems. So we got to go to warehouse after this, doing a giveaway actually of PS5. I don't even know why they pulling me over. It was traffic and I just got over for somebody hitting me.
Callie was not doing nothing. Just wanted to hate, I guess.
He just posted up over there for no reason. Guess he's training somebody.
Maybe they're mad about the plates.
So just go ahead and put this on, because if any other officers see that there's no plates on it, they're gonna have the same issue. They're gonna pull you over because there's no plates on it.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm only giving you a verbal warning, no actual ticket.
Okay.
So just go ahead and when you have time. I know at times you don't want to put on like the plates. Maybe,
right.
Like just in case, you know.
Oh yeah, I know.
So
yeah, I'm a YouTuber, so I get pulled over a lot. So I'm used to it.
Okay. Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you so
Have a good day.
sir.
Thanks for you guys' service. So ultimately, they was cool, man. You know what I mean? You can't say nothing bad, man. They doing their job, I guess. You know, flashy car, no plates, I get it. All I could tell them was, thanks for your service, man. Be the best cop you could be. Now let's get to this tire shop. Don't let no female officer come into my pimping, man. You know what I'm talking about? Hey, baby, I'm a rich YouTuber. You know what I mean? If you need a real job, you go work security or something. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
What she pulled you over for?
Nah, I knew they was, because I got on my gas, to get away from dude.
Oh.
And I didn't even realize they was right there.
Yeah.
So I'm like, oh, luckily that car was behind me. So I act like I was pulling it to the store.
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, I saw you walk by or whatever.
What's going on? What's going on?
Man.
How are you guys?
Viral video today, got pulled over early in the morning.
Did you already?
Oh, they were just like, oh, just put the tags on, we're just gonna give you a warning.
They saw the video, they just wanted to pull you over and talk to you real quick.
Yeah, because he was standing on the side just looking.
He's like, I saw Callie just got his car back. Let me go pull him over real quick.
Yeah. So I guess I just give you the keys to this
Yeah, I
thing?
just need the keys,
all right,
and I'm gonna get started on it.
Oh, we about to go up in here and give away PlayStation 5. Yeah, man,
Damn.
I gotta look out for my viewers, supporters, friends, associates, haters. I even bless the haters, man. You know what I'm gonna bless them with?
What?
Hollow point up the culo. I'm crazy. Go out. Go out. We ain't been doing our go out, bro. Go, you got on the rolly check.
Oh, rolly check. Don't be jealous. We got new music out now, don't we?
Oh, we got the new album. Well, yeah, 4 songs. That's all y'all need, man. Put that on replay. Hey, Pushin' P, Gunna, nobody with us. You know what I mean? Y'all want to go download that. Spotify, it's on Instagram, Facebook. Is it on, hey, you check TikTok? It's on TikTok, iTunes, Apple Music, Google Play. It's on everything. YouTube. What else we got this on?
Everything. It should be on everything.
You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
you should be able to find
Hyphy
it.
boys. New day and age, man. You know what I mean? An old man and half old man. You jumping into the music game hardcore. You know what I mean? I got 4 albums and these songs we did tops all that. I ain't gonna even lie to you. They ain't just said it because it's about music. If it was whack, I would say it. Like y'all know Soul Manani. That's why.
Yeah.
The video's good, but hey, like y'all be telling me, y'all be trolling me. I know my music good because it pump you up, get you work out, all this. But that Sominati, just keep preaching. Keep preaching. You leave that alone. Keep preaching about the Matrix and the video games and the NPCs. Leave that to somebody else, bro. Oh shoot. Facebook, we got 831, baby. We got that PS5 we about to give away. And I'm gonna give away some subs and merch to 2 other people. So that's what we giving away right now.
Look at that.
About to
detail.
give this away, man. This for all the people that ordered what, over $100, I think it was. It's that work gun, man. 50 mgs of caffeine. And so I've been taking this and my blood pressure's still been low. So it's really, once it gets into your system, it's probably not even 50 milligrams.
It's good though, it gives you a nice boost.
Yeah, nootropic, it got the brain stuff in there. Ooh, yours hard, boy.
Oh yeah, I've been keeping them in the freezer.
Go get it, hyphenlife.com. Use the code YT, you get some off. Say ready if y'all ready.
They say ready, ready,
Oh, they
ready,
saying ready?
ready, scam ready.
What is that?
Somebody says scam ready.
Scam, right? We don't do no scams around here, man. Why do they even think that content creators need to do a scam? Like they already making money from ads.
Weirdos.
Especially somebody solidified like me. I've been on this social media stuff 15, 16 years. Let's see what we got here. Bye. So 77682. Here, Alejandro Calvillo. Alejandro Calvillo, congratulations, you the PS5 winner, man.
Doing the steering wheel, man. So you think you're doing it? So if I'll pull up next to you and, you know, you think you're doing it with the steering wheel?
No, just say this.
Yeah, I mean, it says that, but no carbon fiber?
No carbon fiber.
Yeah, you ain't got no carbon fiber in your
I
screen.
got carbon fiber all
I got
up
that
on
too. I got all that stuff.
You know what I mean? All right there. You know what I mean?
I got all that.
Son,
So I got that too.
Yours, you open that wide?
Yeah, wider actually. I will give it to you.
Oh, yours don't have
Red seat belts. Yeah, I'll give it to you there.
Yours
You
don't
can-
have red seatbelt?
No, just black.
I'm out doing it.
Steering wheel, man.
Oh, you think I need to upgrade it?
See, it's not like thick. Thick. It's not
I need
thick.
to upgrade
You
it.
should.
I gotta see how my exhaust really sound.
What do you mean?
I don't think it's loud enough.
Really?
Oh, I think if I did the muffler delete, right?
Well,
What did they do? They did the resonator. Yeah, but they don't have the those big things in the back they took out, right?
Yeah, but they put a custom X pipe on it, I think.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm asking if we could do something go louder.
We'll delete your cats.
Yeah.
And then you can take it to like a shyster and have him, you know,
Oh, exactly.
under the
Do
table.
the,
Yeah.
do the,
With the invoice.
the woo wop
He goes-
with the, oh, whopper across the head.
Hit you with the woo up and slide of the invoice.
Only honorable shot. Tire stickers too, they hook us up. They don't charge us nothing. Reflections out in this area. Juju. Northridge Tire and Stickers. He ain't trying to get over on people. And he just treat everybody nice. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's facts.
Well, for him to be a young guy, that's honorable.
Mm-hmm.
Gyromania, potatoes, however you pronounce it. And I've been hooked on those gyros lately. Any animators out there, hit us up, man. We can do the hyphy cartoon. Oh, we need us an intro too. Us like pulling up, you know what I'm saying? That could be the intro.
an intro.
Us pulling up, then hopping out, go wild, or it could say go wild. Like we pull up maybe in the McLarens or something. Yeah. Both the doors come up at the same time. Go wild. I'll produce and direct you, man. No. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, we need to add something.
Slapping again.
No, we need to. Boom. Just backhand?
No, it's like pinky again, buddy. God.
Hell no. Let's see. Boom, pinky. That. Oh, we need to clap again.
Okay.
Yeah, you've been missing that.
I've been missing.
Boom, 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 boom. Slap again.
Okay.
We gotta slap
then
twice.
Slap back
Boom,
again.
boom. Don't be jealous. Boom, boom, boom. Slap again. Dap. Oh, there it go. Yeah,
Okay.
don't be jealous. Boom.
And
Don't be jealous.
Don't be jealous.
Oh, I heard that knuckle. Hold on, what did I tell you, man? Huh? I gotta look like I got some money, man. I gotta put my shades on. These Adidas right here.
Yeah.
These
What's that
cost
mean?
more than their wardrobe.
Damn.
Cost more than their wardrobe right there.
Can
And
you see 'em?
do it say it on it? Or it say it on the inside? What that say? Grand Evo 1. Come on, man. Grand Evo 1 right there. You know these really 18 karat. Gold.
Oh yeah.
No cap. No. No. Come on, we ain't gonna even talk about that. We ain't even see we don't even do drip downs for y'all no more. Cause y'all was, you know, saying that we made you feel broke and poor. So we stopped doing drip downs, man. Let y'all see this market without saying nothing, you know what I mean? Let you see the without saying nothing. You know what I mean? We don't even. That was fun too, wasn't it, Hyper Whitey? We made them feel too bad though, man.
Yeah.
See that, y'all boys, soft boys, soy boys, new age boys, y'all just can't have fun no more with y'all, man. Y'all so just feminized. Thank you for this day. Thanks for blessing us. We ask that you continue blessing us, continue blessing our viewers, subscribers, friends, fans, positive people of the world, negative people. Open their eyes so they can live as a positive human being. We have to continue blessing our finances, health, wealth, success. Bless our families and future friends and associates and be like,
How is it, Calvin?
too good, almost choked.
You getting dumb shredded for the summer.
Stupid shit.
You getting it? What do we take? Clenbuterol?
Oh, I can't take that. My heart will explode.
Yeah. Is that what they take?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Drop my card, drink hella water, low sodium. I'm gonna get stupid shredded, bro. Get down about 195. So the summer gonna be coming in. So you know we gotta get designer short fits. I'm gonna be working out in designer. It's on hit, man. Like I always tell y'all, you in the Southern California, Santa Clarita, Valencia, Cady Country area, up through Guy Romania, man. My boy got the best day going. So as you guys know, me and Hyphy Whitey, because he got this big old camera like you hold in the 1970s newscaster, he get us kicked out of every gym. So we on the hunt to find a gym that we could go to for a month or two, because we don't last long at gyms. The vibe get weird. People start tripping about me being Kali Muscle, all type of weirdo. Y'all been seeing it for years. I've been going through it with these gyms, right? So we gonna go in this gym in Santa Clarita. I think it's called Snap Fitness or something. We gonna be on the hunt today for the best gym that works out for us. And hey, it's gonna be a little trolling involved. So come on, let's go. Little fitness area right here.
Let me see.
They closed there.
Look.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 2 o'clock.
What day is it? Tuesday? Oh, 5 to 8? Oh.
They don't come in to 5 to 8?
Yeah.
What did it look like anyway? You gonna get us kicked out with that camera before we get a membership back.
Kicked out or
That's
not?
where you go get your gas.
Huh?
You go get your gas, Costco gas.
With that long line?
Put that up in your TRACKHAWK cheap, man.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have my handicap sticker about that a week. So
Why?
I don't want nobody on.
Cause you had a heart attack?
Huh?
Cause you had a heart attack?
That's right.
You can still walk. You're walking just fine in them $1,000 Gucci's.
Hey, that don't. Hey, I got my card. my heart attack card. So.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at him. He already looking. You better get it kicked out. All right, boy. A little bit of everything. We actually.
Yeah, he is a
songs
rapper.
came out today.
Yeah, he is a rapper.
It's Kali Muscle.
Kai Muscle.
K-A-L-I Muscle.
You guys been here before? I mean, have you guys
No.
been to 24 Hour Fitness before?
I started working at the first one in history.
Really?
You know where it's at? Where it was at?
First one in history.
He knows.
He probably knows. It's by San Diego. It's either Northern California or San Diego.
San Leandro, California.
San Leandro, that's right.
At 16, I was working there. Yeah, so I've been there, since 24. Yeah. So who we sign up with, you?
I can help you guys out, yeah.
Okay. At gyms, I am a YouTuber, so people usually sweat us about filming. He usually don't have this. We usually just have a phone. So what's you guys' policy on that?
Do you guys just like set it down in a corner? Or
Well,
like
he'll hold it while I'm
I'm
working
like doing
out.
like what I do now. I just hold it and film him.
But not like not the actual, the whole setup, but just a phone?
No, yeah, just like this.
I mean, you just saw my GM, he didn't say anything. So let me
Yeah.
just double check with him, but I think if it was an issue, he would have said, hey, you know, like,
Okay.
obviously, I'm the sales manager, I didn't say anything.
Yeah.
But let me just double check with Peter.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's fine. We have people who do it here. As long as you don't have other people, like you're blatantly recording other people, you're fine.
Oh yeah.
That's it. But if you're just
Yeah, we
recording
never do
yourself,
that,
yeah, that's fine. But we just, we can't have like, hey,
Right. Yeah.
that's
I don't want nobody else in my video anyway. I'm selfish.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.